Prime S6 10M. This motherboard supports DDR4 RAM and features one M2 NVMe slot and 2 RAM slots. It comes with an Arctic cooler installed, a good quality cooler. Currently, it has an i3 12th gen processor installed, but you can also use an i5 12th gen processor if you prefer. Additionally, it supports an i5 11th gen processor. If you need an i7 11th gen, that is also available. It includes an onboard Wi-Fi option, one NVMe slot, and for SATA ports. You can install a 4 GB low-profile graphics card in this system. Gigabyte H410 motherboard supports 10th gen. This motherboard model is the S2HV2, which includes one NVMe slot for SATA ports and 2 RAM slots. It supports 10th gen Intel processors for 11th gen support. The H510 motherboard is also available. Z390 motherboard. This motherboard features 2 NVMe slots, built-in Wi-Fi, and comes with Corsair RAM installed. It also includes a 65 West cooler. This is an excellent machine. Asus Pro X570S. This motherboard supports AMD Ryzen processors such as the 2600, 5600, 5600X, and Ryzen 7. It is compatible with all AM4 socket processors and uses DDR4 RAM. Recently restocked GPUs. We have recently restocked the RTX 3070 Ti from MSI in the Trio series. Additionally, we have a variety of other graphics cards available, including RTX 2060, RTX 2060, Super RTX 3070, RTX 3070, TRX 5700, XTRX 6600, RX 6600 XT. We also have older generation cards like the GTX 1050, GTX 1050 Ti, GTX 970, GTX 1660 Super, and GTX 1660 Ti. Other available processors and systems. We have a wide range of processors and systems in stock, including Dozy, Taiga, Onzi Taiga, and 10th gen Intel processors. Older generations like 8th, 9th, 7th, 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and even 1st gen AMD Ryzen processors like the Ryzen 5260 and Ryzen 7. Compact systems like the HP 800J custom-built gaming PCs. Pricing and offers. We offer competitive pricing on all our products. For example, i5 11th gen with motherboard and processor, 52,000. i3 12th gen with motherboard and processor, 45,000. Ryzen 5 2600 with B450 motherboard and tower case, 38,000. i5 10th gen with H410 motherboard, 49,000. i3 8th gen with H310 motherboard and tower case, 28,500. We also provide discounts on complete builds and free delivery across Pakistan. Additional components. We stock a variety of other components, including RAM GDR4, 8 GB, 16 GB, etc. as power supplies, 500 watts, 750 watts, etc. PC cases, including white timid build cooling fans and RGB lighting. Visit our shop. If you'd like to visit our physical store, we are located at ZM Computers, first floor, Rafi Plaza, Hall Road, Lahore. You can also contact us via WhatsApp for detailed inquiries or custom builds. Final notes. We strive to cater to all budgets, offering both older and newer generation components. Whether you need a budget-friendly build or a high-end gaming PC, we have options for you. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our videos for updates and giveaways. Fis.